Hi, I'm Andy, Director of Sales in the South with G&D. We make KVMs, and we're here showing you our whole IP system. Basically, we have transmitters sitting here with computers in the same case and going out to several workstations here. Also showcasing our remote access CPU, remote access gate, and remote access workplace, which will let you access virtual machines and get in and out of your facility from remote. It all happens over internet, and you can look at several devices at once. Basically, you can come to our website at www.gdsys.com and get more information there.